Hello guys, my name is Doke and I got a great news for you. My videos are gonna be much better. Like every single good businessman, I know that if I want to get better, I need to spend some money. So, after so many hours of thinking and searching on the internet, I decided to buy new camera. X8 2A. This is such an awesome action camera and it takes just about 5 hours to take one picture. This Carl-size lens shoots in 4K and 500 frames per second. And this awesome machine has also memory card with 2 terabytes. You're not gonna believe it, but I also got this awesome manual with instructions. For sure, I'm just kidding. This camera used to belong to my grandfather and this beautiful machine is older than all of you. This camera was made around 1950. The truth is that I really bought new camera. I just wanted to show you this beautiful thing because I got a feeling that back in the days everything was a little bit better. This camera is made of proper steel. It's so heavy and it looks awesome. One day, when I will have my own studio, you're gonna find this camera over there. About 6 months ago, I told you that I would like to buy action camera. Instead of action camera, I bought this one. I couldn't be happier because this camera works perfectly, but there are also situations when I can't use this camera. In these situations, especially when I paint, I use this Sony point shoot with pretty awesome video, but it's a really big pain in the ass to hold this camera in my hand and paint in the same time. So I wanted to buy GoPro 4 Hero Black Edition, but this camera is so expensive, and also equipment for this camera is so expensive. So instead of GoPro, I decided to buy LAMAX X8 Electra. I also bought new micro SD card and this thing that it's supposed to hold this camera over here. And pretty awesome thing is that I bought all these things just for 140 euros. I'm aware of it that this camera is definitely not GoPro, but according to reviews, it should be okay. Alright, let's get to the super fast unboxing because I don't want to show you some boring cables. I got pretty stupid idea. And today, my good friend and we are going to test this camera in real action conditions. I hope that I will be able to use this camera also tomorrow. Oh, let's get started with this thing. This is my brand new camera, but I just realized that this waterproof case got scratches over here, right over here. What's that? Not good, not good. Tomorrow I'm gonna go back to the shop where I bought this camera and I'm gonna demand a new one. I'm sorry. I just realized that there is protective material over there, but it was almost invisible. Here we go. No scratches. I'm sorry, Elsa. Alright, I need to charge batteries, I need to take care of this beautiful thing on my head, and we can go for an adventure.
So, here is the deal.
Look at that idiot. He really thinks that camera for 100 euros got a good sound. He just wanted to tell you that they got a boat. 20 years old boat, and that they're gonna go fishing.
look at that idiot once again. He just wanted to tell you that most of the time they are stuck in bushes and that they didn't catch anything. At least the boat is still functional.
And that's it. As always, we didn't catch anything, but our old boat worked perfectly. Let me know in comments below what you think about this new camera. Thumbs up for support and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.